Saving money often feels like a challenge, especially when the idea of cutting back seems to mean giving up on things you enjoy. The truth is, spending less doesn't have to feel like a sacrifice. It's about making thoughtful choices that align with what truly adds value to your life. With the right strategies, you can build healthier financial habits while still enjoying the things that matter most to you. According to a recent study on mindful consumption, adopting a mindset of intentional and conscious decision-making in financial matters can significantly enhance personal financial well-being. This means slowing down and being thoughtful about where your money goes. This video offers practical and effective ways to spend less without feeling deprived. Each tip is designed to help you save money while maintaining the quality of life you deserve. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom, and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Practice mindful spending. Mindful spending starts with awareness. Take a moment to pause before making purchases and ask yourself if the item or experience is something you truly need or value. A great tip is the 30-day rule. If it's not essential, wait 30 days and decide if it's still worth buying. Often, the urge to spend fades, and you realize you didn't need it in the first place. Being mindful helps you prioritize what brings real joy and eliminates unnecessary expenses. Identify your spending triggers. Understanding why you spend can help prevent impulse buying. People often spend more when they're stressed, bored, or influenced by their environment. Pay attention to patterns, such as shopping after a tough day or scrolling online stores during idle moments. Track your spending for a week to uncover these habits. Once you identify triggers, you can redirect your energy to healthier, free alternatives like exercise, reading, or hobbies. Create a joy per dollar list. A joy per dollar approach helps you prioritize spending that adds real value to your life. Take a moment to list out the things that bring you happiness or satisfaction. For example, a gym membership might be worth keeping if it improves your health, while an unused streaming subscription could be canceled. This mindset makes it easier to decide where your money should go, ensuring it supports experiences or items that matter. Meal plan and cook at home. Planning your meals and cooking at home can significantly reduce food expenses while improving your health. Dining out often costs 2 to 3 times more than making a meal at home. Start with simple, affordable recipes and shop for groceries based on your plan to avoid buying excess food. Cooking at home also reduces food waste and allows you to control ingredients. Over time, this small habit can save hundreds of dollars each month. Switch to generic brands. Many store brand products are just as good as name brands, but they cost significantly less. Grocery staples like pasta, cleaning supplies, and medicine often have identical ingredients and quality without the markup of branded packaging. Research indicates that generic products can be significantly cheaper while offering similar performance. Giving them a try allows you to save money without sacrificing the quality you expect. Embrace DIY solutions. DIY projects are a great way to save money while building useful skills. Making things yourself can range from homemade cleaning products and gifts to basic home repairs. For example, a simple mix of vinegar and baking soda works as an effective, low-cost cleaner. Taking a DIY approach also reduces the need for expensive services and promotes sustainability. It's a practical, rewarding way to stretch your budget further. Cut utility costs with small habits. Cut utility costs with small habits. Reducing utility bills starts with small changes in daily habits. Switching to LED light bulbs, unplugging electronics when not in use, and adjusting your thermostat by a few degrees can lead to noticeable savings. Sealing drafts around windows and doors keeps your home more energy efficient and comfortable year-round. These simple adjustments can cut your annual energy costs by 10–20%, which adds up over time. Use cashback or discount apps. Cashback and discount apps make saving money on everyday purchases easier than ever. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta reward you for shopping as usual, offering deals and cashback on groceries, clothing, and essentials. Many stores partner with these platforms, so the savings quickly add up without any extra effort. Over time, these tools help you save a percentage of your spending, leaving more room in your budget for other priorities. Leverage public resources. Public resources are often overlooked, but can save a lot of money while providing great value. Local libraries, for instance, offer much more than books. Many now provide free access to ebooks, movies, classes, and workshops. Public parks and community centers host events, fitness activities, and recreational programs at no cost. These resources offer excellent opportunities for learning and entertainment without spending a dime. Find free entertainment. Entertainment doesn't have to cost much to be enjoyable. Activities like hiking, visiting local parks, attending free museum days, or hosting game nights are just as fun as costly outings. Many cities host free concerts, movie screenings, and festivals, especially during holidays and weekends. Outdoor activities not only save money, but also promote physical and mental well-being. Enjoying free experiences lets you make great memories without financial stress. Cancel unused subscriptions. Automatic subscriptions can quietly drain your budget if you don't track them. Take a moment to review everything you pay for, including streaming services, apps, and memberships. A 2024 survey reveals that Americans waste an average of $32.84 each month on unused paid subscriptions. Cancel anything you rarely use or no longer need, and keep only the services that provide true value. This small step keeps spending in check while freeing up extra cash. Borrow or swap instead of buying. When you need something temporarily, borrowing or swapping is a smart solution. Instead of purchasing tools, books, or clothes for one-time use, ask friends or family members if they can share. Community groups often host swap events for items like clothing or toys, where everyone benefits without spending money. Borrowing reduces clutter, saves space, and keeps you from buying things that will only gather dust. Shop with a list and stick to it. Going shopping with a clear list helps you avoid unnecessary spending. Before heading to the store, write down exactly what you need and commit to sticking to it. Studies show that shoppers without a list spend up to 23% more on impulse purchases. Shopping with a purpose helps you avoid distractions, stay within budget, and cut back on waste. Over time, this habit makes a noticeable difference in your savings. Time your purchases for sales cycles. Buying items during their discount periods is a great way to stretch your budget. Stores follow predictable sales cycles, offering big discounts on specific products during certain times of the year. For example, electronics see price drops in November, while winter clothing goes on sale at the end of the season. Timing your purchases ensures you get what you need at the lowest possible price, without feeling rushed to pay full cost. Master the art of thrift shopping. Secondhand shopping offers quality items at a fraction of the original price. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online resale platforms like Poshmark or ThredUp are excellent places to find affordable clothing, furniture, and household goods. Many thrift items are gently used or even brand new. Shopping secondhand not only saves money, but also reduces waste, making it a budget-friendly and sustainable option. Opt for refurbished or open-box products. Refurbished and open-box items are another smart way to save. These products, often electronics or appliances, have been returned, inspected, and restored to full working condition. They typically come with warranties and cost much less than brand new versions. Buying refurbished allows you to enjoy high-quality goods without paying full price, making it a practical choice for big-ticket purchases. Negotiate better deals. Negotiating rates can lower expenses without much effort. Many companies are willing to reduce bills for loyal customers, especially for services like internet, phone, and insurance. Call your providers and ask for any available promotions or discounts. Simply requesting a better rate often leads to savings, as companies prefer to keep existing customers rather than lose them. Taking a few minutes to negotiate can lead to long-term benefits. Adopt the one-in, one-out rule. This simple habit keeps spending under control and prevents unnecessary clutter. For every new item you bring into your home, commit to getting rid of something you no longer use or need. Selling old clothes, gadgets, or household items creates extra income that offsets new purchases. This approach encourages thoughtful spending and helps you maintain a clean, organized living space. Choose free fitness alternatives. Staying active doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Expensive gym memberships can easily be replaced with free options like outdoor workouts, walking, or following fitness classes on YouTube. Many communities offer free group exercises in parks or recreational centers. These alternatives keep you healthy, motivated, and consistent without the monthly cost of a gym membership. Focus on experiences over things. Research shows that spending on experiences, like trips or shared activities, creates more happiness than material purchases. Experiences provide lasting memories and a sense of fulfillment that possessions rarely offer. Prioritizing quality time with loved ones, be it a picnic, hiking trip, or attending a local event, adds value to your life while costing little to nothing. This shift in focus helps you feel richer in experiences, not things. Embrace minimalist living. Simplifying your lifestyle reduces both clutter and expenses. A minimalist mindset encourages keeping only what you use and value. Start with small steps like decluttering your home, selling unused items, and being selective about new purchases. This lifestyle makes it easier to save money and focus on what truly matters. Letting go of excess leads to greater peace and satisfaction in everyday life. Automate your savings. Automating savings makes the process effortless and consistent. Set up a system that transfers a fixed amount of money into savings each time you get paid. Many banks also offer roundup features, which save spare change from everyday purchases. Automating this habit eliminates the temptation to spend what you intend to save. Over time, these small contributions add up, building a financial cushion without extra effort. Saving smarter, living better. Saving money is about making thoughtful decisions that add value to your life, not taking joy away. These simple strategies help you cut costs without feeling restricted or overwhelmed. Small changes in spending habits can lead to big improvements in financial stability and overall well-being. With consistency and intention, you can enjoy the life you want while securing a stronger financial future. Start saving smarter today and take control of your money with confidence. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.